It's pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. Doesn't wobble like I've seen other reviews say. I think you just have to get everything in place properly. It does come apart pretty easily, and then there's this little thing right here which twists, which helps with things. It's set to the lowest one, tallest one for me. I'm 6'5", 6'6". As you can see, the only problem is it's about an inch too short. Not that big of a deal if you're not using it a lot. It's great for traveling.
I put this pink on it, but this is the cane itself. It's super cute. And it does fold. I can't do it with one hand. But right here, it'll fold and you can extend it, make it longer. I love it. It works perfect. And, you know, it gives you a little dash of a style. So, anyways, yeah.